spanning tree is a subgraph of one undirected graph and connected graph. That is, when we see that from one point to another point, there are so many ways to go. But a minimum spanning tree is that from one point to another point, there should be a one way, one edge. So connected graph, and it is minimum spanning tree, that is MST, is that graph where from one point to another point where there should be no loop, only one edge, and this is the only edge. So if we choose 4 points at a graph, then 4 points will be connected by 4 edges. So if the vertex edge is number of vertices n, then edge will be n. This is the connection of this is the number of edge of each spanning tree. That is minimum spanning tree. That is, when we see that there should be a loop is created of a tree, and we pass from one loop to another except the shortest parts. So there is not a spanning tree. Spanning tree is that tree that will create the only one edge from one point to another point. Maybe there are 100 points. So if there are 100 vertex, then only 100 path, 100 edge is the maximum edge. That is called a spanning tree, and this spanning tree is used to minimize the path. For minimization in each and every cases, maybe routing cases, maybe some programming cases, maybe the connecting cable cases or any internet cases. So each and every cases, spanning tree is a vital document and a very required documents for to evaluate the minimum path from one point to another point. That is called the spanning tree.